In this video, see how to change the font size and formatting in a Word document using ClaroRead. Place your cursor at the start of the text. Select the font icon from the toolbar. Click on the increase or decrease buttons to change the size of the font for the whole document. To change the style of the font, click on the style name. Adjust the colour of your document by selecting the foreground colour to change the font colour, then selecting the background colour to change the colour of your page. Format your document by clicking on spacing. You will then see 4 different options in the drop-down menu. Change character spacing changes the space between each letter. Keep clicking through for wider settings and to return to the original setting. Change line spacing adjusts the space between each line of text. Change paragraph spacing will adjust the amount of space between each paragraph. Change text width will adjust the margins of the document to make them narrower or wider.